Good afternoon to all. Myself and Arun Kumar from EC department. Today we are going to see IoT conceptual framework. So normally the wireless technologies for IoT as the one of the technologies for implementing sensor and conceptual networks to the IoTs. So let me see how the IoT has been defined in this wireless technologies. The Internet of Things means a network for physical things or objects sending or receiving or communicating the information from source to destination with the help of internet. Normally, the networks can be accessed by computers, tablets, mobile phones, so that we can enable the monitoring process, coordinating or controlling the process across the internet or any other data networks which are we use. The Internet of Things is a network of physical objects or things embedded with electronic software, sensors, and connectivity to enable it to achieve the greater value. And it can be serviced by exchanging the data with the manufacturer or operators or any other connected devices. Each thing can be uniquely identified by using a embedded computing systems such as programs, so that we can able to catch and passing the information to the entire system by using a computing embedded systems. And next one is vision. So main application or main process of using this IoT is smart way of operations, especially for humanoid peoples. We are using a lot of smart mobile phones or smart LED devices, smart TVs. So such kind of smart things are using by using the IoT. The Internet of Things is a vision where the things, wearable watches, alarm clocks, home devices, surrounding objects become a smart and function like allowing the entirety by you sensing, computing, and communicating through the embedded devices which interact with the remote objects such as servers, clouds, applications, and services, so which can be controlled or by using a net internet or near field communications. The near field communication is a new technology which is implemented for smart devices such as Apple mobile phones. So if you want to transmit the data or large number of information to the other phone like Apple phone, we can able to easily transmit the information without having an internet. We can able to transmit the data from one Apple phone to other Apple phones. And next one is frameworks. The IoT conceptual framework has been followed by using the above concept. Initially, the data has to get the information, gather, plus enrich means update the information. Stream means it will pass us to the internet. Next one is manage. Manage means access, acquired. The data TCP protocols has to be enabled. Organize and analyze. The organize and analyze mean the every layers has to be assigned. So each is equal to the Internet of Things with the connectivity to the data centers. So like that, all the process has to be enabled by using this IoT conceptual framework. Let us consider an example. IoT-based smart umbrella system using Raspberry Pi. Here, Raspberry Pi is a machine which is controlled umbrella by using a smart application like a smart mobile phones. So these are some applications which is to be followed in framework of conceptual framework of IoTs. So initially, the Raspberry Pi has given the commands to the mobile, so that the mobile is used to control the umbrella. If it is raining, then automatically the umbrella will on condition. It is in on condition. If it is not in, if you are not using the umbrella, so that we can control umbrella by using a mobile phone itself. By like on or off conditions will be enabled in the mobile phone, so that we can able to catch the informations through a Raspberry Pi. Next one is another example of so IoTs, use of IoT concept for street lights in the city. So here the main process is whenever the vehicle is crossing across the street light, then automatically power will be on or off conditions, especially for large number of vehicles passing in a city. This process will be very useful because all the data has to be stored in cloud access. We can able to see the information through the cloud access cloud data. So it can be controlled by using a common format control format, the all because the vehicle has to be passed by one, because we can't able to know how many vehicles has to be passed towards the end. Like that, all the vehicles has to be merged or connected in a particular region, so that we can able to catch the informations, how many vehicles has to be transferred, or how many vehicles are passing towards the street light. So once one the vehicle has passed from one street light, then automatically the light will be off conditions, or next the light will be glow whenever the requirement of vehicle passing towards the street light, then the automatically the process will be followed. The concept already I have shown that there are some techniques which is to be followed in a framework. The main concept of IoT is sensors, because based on the sensors only we can able to catch which kind of applications we are going to use. Like that, the sensors are playing an essential role in IoT. The sensors, initially the sensors are operated with the help of gateway, because every sensor has some modules. Based on the modules only we can able to transmit the informations. Like that, all the information has to be stored in the gateway, so that we can able to match the other machines by connecting the gateway with the help of protocols, internet protocols, or what kind of protocols we can able to offer based on the sensors. So there are two kind of protocols are there: wired connections and wireless connections. Wired connections protocol has to be followed by TCP, and wireless protocol has to be followed by UDP, user datagram protocol. So like that, we can able to use the protocol applications process based on the sensor which are we are going to use. So assessment here. The assessment question is how to configure the IoT devices into the machines, because whenever the configuration are needed to the machines, some of the process we have to follow. So one of the process is we can retrieve the data by periodic basis and route it through an automatic pipeline to the transfer the data and train a machine learning model. Because the pipelining is nothing but to fetching the information to the next process with the help of previous data. So like that, all the data has to be pipeline, and the data will pass towards the end with the help of this pipeline, so that all the information has been shared the data eventually. Thank you.